Hi guys, welcome to our cooking channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you for coming back. We hope to share a great kitchen experience with you guys today. We're going to be making two Moscows, but we're going to start with a Mexican Moscow, and hopefully you can follow us to the next channel, to the next video, and that's where we're going to make your traditional American Moscow. But to start out with the Mexican Moscow, here is your bartender.
Hi everyone. So for today's drink, we're gonna need half of a lime, some tequila, agave nectar, and some ginger beer. So start off, you wanna get your cup. We're using a traditional Moscow Mule cup, and just fill it up with ice. Then you add half of your lime.
This will be a quick little video. So while he's letting the ice here marinate with the lime juice, remember to subscribe, like, and share. And if there's anything you guys want to see from us, please DM us. We always enjoy hearing from you guys.
You want to use half an ounce of the agave nectar.
This will literally be the best recipe in like what, 3 minutes or less, I think so.
And you want to put your tequila in.
Your favorite tequila.
We're using 2 ounces for this drink. And then fill it up with about 6 ounces of the ginger beer. Give it a quick stir. You wanna garnish it with a lime wedge, and there you go. You have yourself a Mexican Moscow Mule.
Well, there you have it, your Mexican Moscow Mule. And if you want to follow us in the next video, we're going to be making your traditional Moscow Mule. Anything that you miss, you can go onto our description for any link for any of our dishes or drinks that we've made. Any suggestions you guys have, please go ahead and DM us. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you guys next time.